Okay guys, let's just work on the move to cart. If you click here, it should move this item to back onto the cart. So first we need to, again as always, we will create a route for that. Route that should be post cart move to cart. What you want to move to cart, of course the product, and then the front save, we'll use the save letter controller, and the method will be move to cart, and the name of the route would be of course move to cart. Just copy this route from here, and if you just go to our index, and then we'll use this route move to cart and the row ID, right? And what about the functionality? The functionality is same as we used in our cart controller, the save letter method. So simply we need to copy hold the method and then paste inside here, and this time the method would be move to cart. So if we just for debugging purpose, for testing purpose, to make sure, we will just dump the ID to make sure how is it. There we go. That means that's working perfectly. Now we need to, we don't directly get the ID, so simply we need to say instance of which instance you want to use. Basically I want to use the save for letter functional instance. Okay, the cart instance save for letter, and then of course we need to remove item from this cart. Again we'll use the instance. Okay, and then here we'll use the default instance here, right? And the functionality, as always, it will check the duplicate, is it moved, and then the app product and all this stuff, right? If you just go back and reload the page and then click on move to cart, there we go, item has been still the message is saved for later, because we need to say here item has been moved to cart. So let's just go ahead and reload the page, and once again click on save for letter. Okay, and then click again on move to cart. There we go, right? And let's just go to shop and add some more items. Go to cart. Okay, save for letter, save for letter, and save for letter. And if you just click on move to cart, there we go. That's working perfectly, guys. Nice and simple. Okay, well, this is I think this is great and one of amazing part. So that's really working nicely. So I think this is our cart area, right? If you just go back to our shop, we can add product. We cannot, if the item is already exist, you can just, we will work on the update functionality, right? Update cart functionality, so you can update your cart quantity. So I think this is very nice. So our shopping cart is almost ready to use and almost complete. And in the next video we will be work on the checkout. We'll use the Stripe, and then of course we will store our data to our database, right? So see you in the next video.